Number 1. 1995 Ford F-150, price $7,500. It has 151,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 5.0L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in a classic red exterior with a gray interior, this two-wheel drive pickup has been well maintained throughout its life and remains in solid mechanical condition. It runs and drives well, offering the reliability and performance that the 5.0L V8 is known for. The truck features a durable 8-foot bed, making it an excellent option for hauling equipment, materials, or weekend projects. It rides on a great set of tires and has been upgraded with a modern head unit that includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing convenient access to navigation, music, and hands-free communication. The air conditioning is operational and keeps the cabin comfortable, although it may struggle to keep up on extremely hot days. Number 2. 2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,950. This truck is powered by a dependable 4.8L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and has 156,000 original miles. Finished in a burgundy exterior with a gray interior, this 2WD pickup runs and drives perfectly, making it a reliable choice for daily driving, weekend projects, or light-duty work. The truck is equipped with cold air conditioning, power windows, a durable bedliner, and a set of 20-inch wheels wrapped in brand-new tires, giving it both a stylish appearance and a comfortable ride. The engine performs smoothly, the transmission shifts properly, and the truck has been maintained to provide dependable performance on the road. It carries a rebuilt title, but it has been kept in good running condition and is ready for its next owner. Number 3. 1997 Ford F-150, price $9,850, well-maintained full-size pickup that has traveled only 75,000 miles. It features a dependable 5.4L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, along with a clean white exterior and a well-kept gray interior. The truck has been lightly used over the years and has clearly been cared for, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and classic F-150. The truck runs and drives perfectly with no known mechanical issues, and the smog inspection has already been completed for added peace of mind. The interior remains clean and comfortable, showing very little wear for its age, while the exterior paint still presents nicely. It also comes equipped with a great-looking set of wheels and tires that complement its overall appearance. Number 4. 1979 Ford F250, price $7,999. This truck has just 64,900 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission, a classic green exterior, and a clean white interior that complements its timeless appearance. Powered by a dependable inline 6-cylinder engine, it offers a strong-running drivetrain with a manual gearbox that shifts smoothly. Both the engine and transmission are in excellent condition, making this truck a reliable classic that is ready to be driven and enjoyed. The truck has been exceptionally well maintained, featuring a beautiful interior and exterior, original-style classic bench seating, a well-kept cabin, and attractive paint that gives it plenty of vintage appeal. It also sits on a great set of wheels and tires that complete its classic look. Number 5. 2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,100. This truck has 140,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 5.3L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Finished in white with a clean blue interior, this 4x4 pickup runs great and performs as it should, with everything functioning properly. The truck has been well cared for throughout its life, having never been smoked in and never exposed to pets, which has helped preserve the interior in excellent condition. The upholstery remains in very good shape with minimal signs of wear, while the paint and body have also been maintained nicely, giving the truck an attractive appearance. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 is a clean, reliable, and well-kept full-size pickup that is ready to be driven and enjoyed by its next owner. Number 6. 1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,500. It has 177,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a 5-speed manual NV4500 transmission. It features a green exterior, a gray interior, and is powered by a gasoline engine. Originally built as a diesel truck, it has been professionally converted to a reliable 5.7L Vortec V8 gas engine. This is a heavy-duty 2500 shortbed model with an 8-lug setup, and the frame has never been cut or modified. The air conditioning blows cold, the heater works properly, and the registration tags are current through next year. The truck has a clean title in the owner's name and has been well maintained with numerous recent upgrades, including a brand new front windshield, mass airflow sensor, idle air control sensor, spark plugs, knock sensor, and several other replacement parts. Number 7. 1996 Ford F350, price $9,995. It has 200,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a dependable 7.3L Power-stroke diesel V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in black with a burgundy interior, this heavy-duty pickup is built to handle demanding towing and hauling tasks while providing a comfortable driving experience. Designed with impressive towing capacity and additional cargo space, this F350 is well-suited for job sites, farm work, or weekend adventures. The spacious cabin offers plenty of room for passengers, and the XLT trim enhances the interior with premium comfort and convenience features. Known for its durability and reliable performance, this diesel-powered truck remains a solid choice for anyone seeking a capable and dependable heavy-duty pickup. Number 8. 1991 Chevrolet S10, price $5,500. The truck has 203,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a black exterior, a gray interior, and is powered by a gasoline engine. This classic compact pickup is equipped with a dependable 4.3L V6 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, delivering reliable performance for both everyday driving and light off-road use. Its four-wheel drive system provides added traction and capability, making it a practical choice for a variety of road conditions. According to the seller, the truck runs and drives great, reflecting the durability that the first-generation Chevrolet S10 is known for. It has been fitted with a new battery and newer tires, helping ensure dependable starts and improved road performance. Number 9. 1983 Chevrolet C10, price $7,900. This is a solid short bed pickup in dependable driver condition. It is equipped with an automatic transmission, a reliable 305 V8 gasoline engine, and comes finished in a classic white exterior with a blue interior. The truck features power steering, power disc brakes, and factory air conditioning. The engine runs well, the lights are fully functional, and it is ready to be driven home. It also sits on newer tires, providing added confidence on the road. While the air conditioning system is currently not working, all of the original components are still present, making it a good candidate for repair. Overall, this C10 is a clean, honest classic that is ready to enjoy as is or restore over time. Number 10. 1990 GMC 1500, price $6,999. This truck features an automatic transmission, a turquoise exterior, and a blue interior. It is powered by a reliable 350 V8 engine and runs and drives well, with both the engine and transmission performing as they should. The air conditioning works, the interior is clean, and it comes with a good set of tires. The truck remains largely original and is equipped with positive traction, making it a true gem for classic truck enthusiasts and those who appreciate vintage performance. It has a clean Texas title and is ready to be inspected. Potential buyers are welcome to bring their own mechanic.